Gujdim Allah from Kosovo. How well known is Jamaat Ahmadiyyat in the world? How well known is the Jamaat?
Jamaat Ahmadiyya is progressively being known throughout the world in so many countries of the world. Progressively in the sense that the news I received yesterday is different from the news I received today, because everywhere Ahmadiyyat is progressing by leaps and bounds. It's impossible to keep the count. According to the latest figures, Ahmadiyyat has already spread in 190 countries of the world, and is still spreading on and on. So with the grace of Allah, this year at our Jalsa, you will come to know the facts that how fast Ahmadiyya is spreading in the world. It's too early for me to disclose it, but I assure you that you will be amazed to learn that the progress made by other religions in 100 years has been made by Ahmadiyya in 1 year alone.